Okay, everybody, look behind me. That's some rain. If you're going to be using a mobility scooter down here at Walt Disney World, or any of the theme parks for that matter, in the summertime, there's a pretty good chance you're going to be encountering some of this right here. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips and some pointers, things that you could do and things you need to be mindful of on a rainy day if you're going to be using a mobility scooter. Things to keep dry, things you got to really protect, and just some precautions that you can take, and ways that you can keep yourself dry and the scooter dry.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Scooter adventures, we're zooming away through Disney lights and Universal bays. Florida's calling, we're living the dream. Scooter and Michelle, we're the ultimate team. Rolling by the sunshine, the palm trees sway. Ice cream in hand, it's a perfect day. From the boardwalks to fireworks lighting the skies, our scooters take us where the magic lies.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is Mike here with Scooter Adventures, and today we're tackling a topic that might seem a little gloomy. We're talking about a stormy day at Walt Disney World, specifically when you're relying on a mobility scooter to get around. First up, let's talk about rain gear and what you could use or purchase to keep yourself dry and your mobility scooter dry when it's stormy. First off, you're going to want a nice roomy poncho to protect both yourself and the mobility scooter. Now, all scooters are somewhat waterproof. However, you don't want to get the delicate controls wet. There's a lot of electronics up underneath the console, and you want to try to protect those as best as possible. I like to carry a separate, smaller plastic cover or even a shower cap for the control panel itself. Just an extra layer of peace of mind. And don't forget, waterproof shoes. Soggy feet, no fun. Also, you may want to consider a console cover like this. Don't forget an umbrella. Wear a hat to keep the rain out of your eyes. And if you have a yellow poncho or something like that, that might be helpful too. It helps you to be a little more visible in rainy conditions. Wet surfaces can be slippery, so slow down. Seriously, treat your scooter like you're driving on ice. Avoid sudden turns and abrupt stops. You'll want smooth, controlled movements to prevent any skidding. Avoid puddles. Even small ones can hide deeper water that could splash up and damage your scooter's electronics. The most important components of your scooter are located actually under your floorboard, right about where your heels sit, right in front of the rear tires, and probably right about where the battery is. That's where it's called the controller, and that's the brains of the computer. You don't want to get that wet. It's not in a sealed unit. When you're at the parks, look for covered walkways and indoor queues. Disney has a surprising number of these, and they'll be your best friend when the skies open up. The My Disney Experience app can be super helpful. Now for the fun part, rainy day attractions. This is where you can truly make the most of a stormy day, as wait times often drop for popular indoor rides. Some rides to consider are Spaceship Earth. The queue for this ride is covered, and the ride is entirely indoors. Grand Fiesta Tour, starring the three Caballeros. It's a relaxing boat ride in the Mexico Pavilion. Journey into Imagination with Figment is indoors. Living with the Land. It's a gentle boat ride through the greenhouse. Very fun and relaxing boat ride. The Seas with Nemo and Friends. Explore the aquarium and the ride, all indoors. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. The queue is all covered, and the ride itself is inside. Frozen Ever After. While parts of the queue are exposed, a good portion is covered, and the ride is a must-do indoors. Perhaps the best place in Epcot to get out of the elements, heat or rain, is right behind me here at the Land. Two very popular attractions right here in the Land: Living with the Land, the boat ride, and Awesome Planet. It's a movie. Of course, the third attraction to see here at the Land is the infamous Soaring Around the World. This is a must-see here at Epcot. And areas like this you see right here, right in front of the land, doesn't look too deep, but that is about a half inch of water right there. Those are the kind of puddles that you don't want to go through if you're on a mobility scooter. That will splash up on the bottom, could affect the controller, and it might look like it's pretty shallow, but it's got some depth to it. Rainy days are perfect for enjoying some of Disney's incredible indoor dining options. Whether it's a quick service meal to escape the downpour or a relaxing table service reservation, take advantage of the opportunity to dry off, recharge, and refuel. Another great idea at Epcot in the rain is Mickey and Friends. Stop in, meet Mickey and a few other characters. You might want to consider a setup like I have right here. A portable umbrella mounted to the tiller on my mobility scooter, and I have a poncho that is made specially for mobility scooters. It has a clear area right here in the front, so you could drape it over the controls that way, and still see where you're going, and have access to your speed controls and everything else, and your battery meter. So these are made specially for a mobility scooter. They're extra large. They cover your legs all the way down to your floorboard, and they will cover the back part of the scooter as well. Now, as you look out over World Showcase, it's surprisingly well equipped for rainy days. While the main walkways are outdoors, each pavilion offers a wealth of indoor experiences. As you move around the World Showcase, make it your mission to explore the indoor offerings of each individual pavilion. Many have shops, museums, and even quick service dining tucked away inside. This is Mexico, and honestly on a rainy day, this is one of the best places to be because the entire pavilion is basically indoors. You roll right into this incredible pyramid and suddenly you're in a vibrant twilight marketplace. But our main mission for this is Grand Fiesta Tour starring the 3 caballeros. It's a little boat ride, perfect for escaping the weather. Just a heads up though, like most boat rides, you'll transfer from your scooter to the ride vehicle. But the cast members are fantastic with assisting. Next up, we're braving the sprinkles for a quick dash over to Norway. And what better way to warm up than with a journey through Arendelle? Frozen Ever After is an absolute highlight here. Again, you'll have to transfer to a ride vehicle, but the queue is mostly covered, which is a huge plus on a day like this. This is China. This pavilion offers some fantastic indoor experiences as well, starting with one of my favorites on a rainy day, Reflections of China. This Circle Vision 360 film is absolutely breathtaking, taking you on a journey through China's diverse landscapes and vibrant culture. And the best part? You stay right in your mobility scooter for the whole show. No transfers needed, just pure cinematic immersion. Afterwards, wander through the huge House of Good Fortune shop. It's like a treasure trove of unique Chinese art, clothing, and fascinating souvenirs. Now, moving on to Germany. While there isn't a ride here, this pavilion is all about the delightful atmosphere, the shopping, and of course, the food. And it's impossible to leave empty-handed. If you're looking for a bigger, drier experience, there's the Beer Garden restaurant. We carefully made our way now to the beautiful canals of Italy. The architecture here is just stunning, even under the gray sky. The key here on a stormy day is to dive into the incredible dining and the shopping. Via Napoli Ristorante Pizzeria serves up some of the best pizza in Disney World. Or, for those more intimate experience, Tutto Gusto Wine Cellar is a cozy, low-lit spot perfect for enjoying some Italian wines and small plates while waiting out a downpour. There are also some lovely shops here selling Venetian masks and Murano glass, offering plenty of dry browse opportunities. We've reached the halfway point and it's time for the American Adventure. This pavilion is a fantastic place to seek shelter, as its main attraction is entirely indoors and very comfortable. The American Adventure Show is a journey through American history told with incredible audio animatronics. And the best part for us scooter users, you remain in your scooter for the entire show. You made it to France, and with the addition of Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, this pavilion is now even more of a rainy day paradise. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is an absolute blast. You shrink down to Remy's size and scurry to Gusteau's kitchen. You have to transfer to a ride vehicle, but the queue is wonderfully themed and mostly covered. One of the things that you could always count on in Florida when it rains is that it's soon going to be followed by the sun. And once that happens, you can look forward to it getting very steamy out here. So it changes real quick, folks. 1 minute you're looking for your poncho and your umbrella, and the next minute it's a sweltering hot summer day again. And just like that, our rainy day adventure around Epcot is complete. So that's it, folks. A rainy day Epcot adventure in a mobility scooter. It is definitely doable, and with a little planning, the right gear, and a flexible attitude, you can still have a fantastic time. And as you can see, a little rain is absolutely no reason to cancel your Epcot plans, especially when you're exploring on a mobility scooter. Epcot is incredibly accessible, and with so many incredible indoor attractions, shops, and dining experiences in each country, you could still have an amazing, immersive day. In fact, the lower crowds might even make it more enjoyable. Let us know in the comments if you've ever experienced Epcot on a really rainy day in a mobility scooter. We'd love to hear from you. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and look for plenty of our other videos about more Disney adventures on our mobility scooters.